The world is changing faster than ever. Every day there's something new. Technology, politics, global problems. Things feel uncertain for a lot of people. But even in this fast-moving world, the Ismaili community stands strong. Not just because of tradition, but because of guidance. Because of the deep connection they have with their Imam. Ismailis have become more aware. They're not extreme when it comes to religion. They study science and don't see it as something against their faith. They respect people from other religions, and that's what makes them stand out. Ismailis live all across the world now, from Afghanistan and Pakistan to the UK, Canada, the US, Malaysia, Singapore, and even places like Australia and China. They come from different cultures, speak different languages, but there's something powerful that holds them all together, and that's their Imam.
Whether the Jammat comes from Tajikistan or Afghanistan or Syria or East Africa, it is one Jammat.
For over 60 years, Ismailis were guided by Maulana Hazar Imam, His Highness the Aga Khan. He wasn't just a spiritual leader. He was someone who deeply understood the world, its political challenges, economic problems, human struggles. He gave his Jammat something that's rare: spiritual strength and practical wisdom. He once said something that really touches the heart. I will be leaving you physically today. I am always with you. I watch over you. I think of you. I pray for you. And I want you to know that I am always with my Jammat. He said this in 2008, and those words stayed with people. Because they weren't just words, they were real. That love, that presence, that sense of protection, it's something every Ismaili feels. He also said, let's hope that as we move to the year 2000 and onwards, we will build on a strong Jammat, not only in the developing world, but strong and united in the developed world in the US, in Canada, in Western Europe. And look around. That's exactly what happened. Today, Ismailis are not only living in those places, they're thriving. They're teachers, doctors, engineers, artists, entrepreneurs. But more than that, they're known for something even more valuable: kindness, honesty, and service. That's what sets the Ismaili community apart. Because the guidance continues, the light continues. Now the Ismailis are guided by Shah Rahim Aga Khan, the new Imam. He's someone who's been preparing for this role his whole life. He understands today's world, its systems, its cultures, its pressures, and more importantly, he carries the wisdom, the prayers, and the vision of his father. So what does the future of Ismailism look like? It's not just about survival, it's about leadership, about being a community that shows the world what unity looks like, what peace looks like, what service looks like. While the world fights over differences, Ismailis continue to live with respect for others. While many communities get divided, Ismailis stay connected through faith, through ethic, through love for the Imam. Even in times of crisis, natural disasters, war, poverty, you'll find Ismailis volunteering, helping others, giving back. That's not just a habit. That's a way of life. That's what their Imam taught them. So yeah, the world might keep changing, but the foundation Ismailis stand on, it's solid. It's based on a 1,000-year tradition of Imamat, of knowledge, and of compassion. The future? It's bright, because this isn't just about one group of people. It's about showing what's possible when faith meets action, when leadership is based on love, not power, when people serve not just their own, but everyone around them. That's the spirit of Ismailism. That's the future they're building quietly, steadily, all over the world.